Recording in progress.
Hello there, welcome to this Key Stage 3 chemistry test. All in all, you've got around about 43 questions to answer, mixed questions in chemistry, and we'll be able to see what your strengths and weaknesses are. If you want, you can actually do this by yourselves and see how you get on and what your chemistry knowledge is like before we actually go through all the detailed questions in our next formal class. However, if you want to do some research beforehand to learn as you go and answer the questions one by one, then by all means, that's also allowed as well. Let's just do the first question together though. So Tommy stirs a hot mixture carefully with a wooden spoon. He discovers that the wooden handle stays cool. Why does the handle of the wooden spoon stay cool? So Tommy must be cooking something. So he's stirring maybe in the saucepan with a wooden spoon for some time. But the wooden spoon always stays cool and it never warms up, which means it's very safe for Tommy to carry on stirring with that particular wooden spoon, not worrying about the fact that the wooden spoon will actually heat up and in essence his hand will probably in effect be burnt or heat up as well. So the reason for this is because wood is a poor of heat. If you are stirring something hot while cooking, then it's unlikely that that wooden ornament will actually heat up, which means it's very safe for you to carry on stirring that pot. So wood is a poor conductor of heat, which means that the heat will not come through that piece of wood and hurt your hand, as opposed to, let's say, for example, if it was a metal spoon you were using, which is a good conductor of heat, or maybe a form of plastic. So in this case, wood is a poor conductor of heat. So good luck with the rest of the questions. Remember, all the questions are very different to each other. And we'll look into these questions in much more detail in our next lesson. Thank you.